The figure below shows rectangle A of length 16 cm and breadth 10 cm. They tell us that the length of the rectangle increased by 50% and the breadth is increased by 20% to form a new rectangle. What is the percentage increase in the area? Now for this one, we have to find the new breadth and a new length. Once we find the new breadth and a new length, we can find a new area. And once we find a new area, we can then find the difference between the old one and the new one. Then we can find percentage difference, the percentage increase. Okay. Now let's talk about the new length. New length. They told us that the old length was 16 and it was then increased by 50%. If it's increased by 50%, it will become 150%, correct? So we just take 150% multiply 16 cm, and that will give us 24. I can use mental calculation, but if you all can't, don't worry. Just go ahead and throw inside a calculator, you'll be the same. Then let's talk about the new breadth. The new breadth is increased by 20%, right? So 20%, so the new percentage will be 120%. So 120% multiplied by the old breadth, which is 10, and that will give us 12 cm. Simple. Now this tells me that I increased my breadth by 2 cm, right? Because from 10 cm become 2 cm, so I increased 2 more cm over here. And then my length from 16 become 24, so which means that this is my new one, right? So this will be 24 cm, and this will be 12 cm. Okay, let's find a new area. The new area will be 12 multiplied by 24. So 12 multiplied by 24, and this will give me 288. Okay, why sometimes I like to use mental calculation, right? It's because I like to challenge myself, and sometimes it's faster than typing on the calculator also. I'm going to teach you how do I get 288 so fast, right? It's because 12 times 24, isn't it the same as 10 times 24 plus 2 times 24? And then your 10 times 24, isn't it 240? And then your 2 times 24, isn't it 48? So you add up together, isn't it 288? Tada, this is actually how I get my answer. And I feel that sometimes it's faster than using the calculator. But during examination is a gamble actually. If you want to do it fast, you can use mental calculation. But you want to make it more accurate, you can use the calculator. Both are fine, don't worry. You need to have confidence in yourself. So now this is the new area, right? 288. We have to find the difference first. Because in order to find the percentage increase, we have to find the difference. So the difference over original, which I told you all many times last time. So it's difference divided by original multiplied by 100%. So what's the difference? The difference is the big one minus the original small one. So it's 288 minus the original. The original is 10 multiplied by 16, because these are the original breadth and length, right? 10 multiplied by 16 over the original, which is 10 multiplied by 16 and multiplied by 100%. So 288 minus, what is 10 multiplied by 16? 160, right? So 288 minus 160 over 160 multiplied by 100. Okay, so what is 288 minus 160? That will be 128. So 128 over 160 multiplied by 100%. Okay, at this point of time, I'm not going to use mental calculation anymore, because 128 divided by 160 times 100%, it is not a very simple mental calculation. Okay, let's just throw it inside the calculator. Let's see what we get. We get 128 divided by 160 and multiply by 100, and that will give us 80. Cool. So this is the percentage increase in area. So from the original 160 to become 188, there was an increase of 80%. That's actually how you answer the question. Okay, so remember, for this one, please go ahead and find out the new breadth and the new length and find the new area. Okay, and find the difference divided by the original before you can actually get the answer. Do not use any other method. Okay, done.